Yeah, it does. You'll do good.
Huh?
I said you do good in it. Go right ahead.
You? No, you're supposed to come in with me. You know?
I'll hold your glasses for you. I'll hold your glasses for you.
Watch him. Watch him. Watch him.
Yeah.
I'll say the camera.
Oh, watch. Oh, okay. I can't do that. I can't film other people on it.
Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
'Cause? You look like you're dressed for it.
Yeah, but you're supposed to go swimming with me.
I will tomorrow. We'll even take you down to get a shower if you want to. Just can't wear your glasses in there. Give them to me.
I'm not going in if you ain't going in.
I'm filming.
Let's say this piece, look at this piece. One of them swirl pieces. Broken piece, but another one's a swirl.
Uh-huh. Yep. Fishing. What's today again? June 12th, toward the end of the day. Sun going down behind the building. You can see it. And goodbye. Say goodbye. Thank you.